Hello and welcome to this Item UI tutorial. Follow these steps to link your merchant account to TikTok and configure your data transmission settings. Open the TikTok Server Center in your browser. After successfully logging in, select a merchant to start your business. Click on Sales Channel, select New Channel, click on TikTok. Enter a name for your store. Click on Go to Verify. Confirm the name of the linked TikTok store. Click on Authorize. If the authorization is successful, the page will automatically close. If you need a reminder before your authorization expires, please fill in your email below the authorization section. Click the Test Connection button. After the test is successful, you can submit your configuration. Click on Schedule Setting to enter the data transmission configuration page. Click on Edit. We now support the following features: downloading orders, syncing outbound information, syncing inventory to TikTok. Select the function S you want us to sync for you. Choose the frequency of the sync. After the settings are successful, we will synchronize the data based on the information you set. Thank you for following our guide. Your merchant account is now linked to TikTok and ready for data synchronization. If you would like to learn more about other item applications, please take a look at our expansive library of tutorial content. Thanks for watching. If you would like to learn more about other item applications, please take a look at our expansive library of tutorial content.